1.5 teaspoons of tea rinse into a cup into which I can fit 8 ounces of water. Now I'm just going to say that normally there is a tea bag that comes with this, but I do like just having a little bit more space personally for my herbs to go around. So I'm just going to add the hot water, 8 ounces. And in no time at all, your room is going to start to smell incredible. It's just got such a relaxing kind of feel to it, just because of the combination of all the herbs, particularly the green tea and the lavender and chamomile just make it smell so relaxing to me. As you know, the green tea actually boosts hair growth and the lavender balances oil production. I tend to leave this to brew for about 8 hours or overnight when I'm making this. I tend to make this in advance so that it really does get a chance to release all of its goodness. And then I use my tea strainer. As a sort of sieve, and then I pour the liquid into that to strain it out. Once that's cooled, I simply pour it into one of my spray bottles. Okay, and then we're just going to pour it into our spray bottle. And that is ready to use on any given day. I would not use it more often than every other day, and the ingredients in there, your hair will thank you later.